You're not going to want to miss this next episode with David Vannabong from Island Escapes, because it's all about you as an investor and what you can do to get a property down this way.
Really, Mary?
Hey, it's Mary Bartos with the Bartos Group of Premier Plus Realty. And today on the Really Mary show, we have David Vannabong.
Really, Mary?
I love that. David is from Island Escapes. And we're going to talk, David, about rentals, because really rentals, right?
Really? I don't. It's not like I don't talk about it all the time anyways.
I know.
I talk about it on the weekends every day. So, yeah, rentals are doing great. They've this year has been phenomenal. It exceeded last year's expectations. Every year it's getting better and better, and we just are running out of inventory.
Yeah.
We don't have much. I hate to say it, but it's like a monopoly out here. 4x6 Mile Island. I mean, we could set the prices to where we want, but I don't want to be a gouger. But hey, if it's a nice property, we could set anywhere from high to higher. We just have to justify that. So
right.
I mean, we're always sold out. We're booking right now for Christmas, Thanksgiving. People are booking February. That's the highest peak season we have, and then March as well. So I mean, I think next year is gonna far more exceed this year. It's getting better and better.
With income as well. I mean,
Right.
if you're an investor out there looking for an investment property, we have inventory need
Right.
for rental income. And secondly, you're starting to charge higher and higher and higher
Right.
because, one of the things I love about what you do is the fact that you have the ability to track rates.
Right.
Right? And so one of the highest properties in our area is the Marco Island JW.
Right. Right.
Which I don't know what their nightly rate is, but it's pretty high.
Right, it is really high, and you don't get much amenities from there other than the great pool and beach access and whatnot.
Right.
But a lot of people like single family homes just because due to the circumstances we're in this year, they get a private house. The cost of it is a lot less significantly, and you get more amenities with a single family home. And if you're close to the beach, hey, you can walk there.
Right.
So
Right.
it's all great things out here. Again, I just need more properties. I think everybody needs more rental properties, to be honest with you. I have enough tenants, I just don't have the inventory.
Mm-hmm. And people are calling our office, on a regular basis to say, how can I get a rental? What can I do? And, we don't handle rentals, David does, and we're putting him in touch, and David's like, in those peak periods, like
Right.
February's a tough month.
I won't have anything.
Yeah.
I won't. I mean, if you don't start searching now, probably by December they'll be pretty much sold out.
Yeah.
So, yep.
So until next time, I'm Mary Bartos with the Bartos Group of Premier Plus Realty, and my sidekick today, David Vannabong from Island Escapes, and we look forward to seeing you here in Marco renting a property.
Really, Mary?